you for coming. Oh.
Hello, people.
Oh, Andrew is visiting today. And who knows, maybe Sheldon will drop in. So, as you can see, we have the screen from Commodore 64 up here. And what we have is a 1541 disk drive, which I was told was working. But it seemed there was a disk in there. It does seem that it is spinning quite a bit. And I'm going to tickle the door a bit. Oh dear. Well, that is not a good sign. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take out the 1541 test demo disc, and we're going to try and load it. Oh dear, 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 dear. It is not loading. Andrew, what do you think of that? It's not working. This is strange because it is making the noises that one would think that a disk drive would make. I'm going to try. Okay. Oh dear, 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 dear. So, I'm not sure. I'm just looking over here. Oh. Okay, so it is flashing to my... Oh! It is making a noise. Is that... It is flashing. Okay, so maybe... Is it waking up? Or is it sickly? I just don't know.
Hello, people. I'm coming closer again.
From what I can see here, the disk drive is flashing, which means it is definitely having trouble. Oh. And what I did is I issued the initialize command, which maybe if I change the colors, I can do it again. Open 15, 8, 15, quote, I, 0, quote, colon, close, 15. This forces, this is what we used to do back when. This forces the disk drive to try and initialize, which is not the same as format. It is just trying to say, yo, what's going on here? And as I look over, the drive is struggling. That is disturbing. So, and now it is flashing with an error. So, and now it's spinning. Which, oh, well, you know what? This may be one of the drives, I think it is, that came out later, that any time a disk was put in or out, it decided to spin because that was a good thing. So I put in a disk that was in there, which seems to be Summer Games, and I'm trying again. And it is beating ahead. And I believe we will find that we are still having errors. Yeah, we are still having errors. So this was part of the 64 that I got recently because I just couldn't not, even though I had to drive quite a ways. I'm just looking. Yeah, it's flashing. I'm suspecting maybe, possibly, the head might need cleaning. Hello, Andrew.
Hello.
Hello, Andrew. Look, there's Andrew.
Screw Donald Trump. Donald Trump, if you're watching this, screw you.
Okay, so, yes, this disk drive is flashing and not coming up. So, not that we've ever looked at a 1541 disk drive before. Okay, it finally stopped. It said found not found. So, I'm thinking that what I'm going to do is take this disk out, except it doesn't want to come out. There it comes. And I'm going to put this disk, which is a blank disk, in. And I'm going to list, which I have nothing. I'm going to say new. And I'm going to say 10, open, 15, comma, 8, comma, 15, comma, quote, I, 0, colon, close, 15. Then I'm going to say in 20, A equals A plus 1. Oops, plus 1. And in 30, I'm going to say print A. And then in 40,
What?
I'm writing a little program. I'm going to say go to 10. And just to make it neat, I'll clear the screen. So, basically what I'm going to do is leave this for a little workout. And to be a little bit tortured. And, is it going to make any difference? No, probably not. There it goes. It is banging. So it has done this now once. Oh dear. Well, I did not intend to be looking. I was assured this all worked. Hello, Andrew. But it seems it does not. So I'm going to leave this to be tortured as now run that little program which initializes the disk.
Hold on. Before you end this.
It has run twice.